The president of Kyrgyzstan, Sadyr Japarov, commented on the information that O.Inandi is in Turkey during the interview with one of the media. According to the head of state, as soon as the media reported about the disappearance of O.Inandi, he immediately gathered the heads of law enforcement agencies and instructed them to make all possible measures to find him, urgently and closely monitor the borders. On the same day, detailed information about O.Inandi was received. It turned out that since 2016, they tried to kidnap him 3 times. The last time he was in fact saved by the staff of the State Security Committee. O.Inandi and his family knew about this. The chairman of the State Security Committee, Bektashev, then warned him to always be accompanied by bodyguards. To the question of what requirements will be presented to the Turkish side, Sadyr Japarov replied that he had instructed Foreign Minister Ruslan Kazakbayev to summon the ambassador and hand him a note of protest, and the note has already been handed over.